Harry is a maintenance worker at a steelworks. His job is really important. Without him, the company's machines would be broken pretty soon. But searching for the right spare parts isn't always an easy task. What if I told you that there is an online catalog for the spare parts of every Primetals Technologies machinery that exists, including its drawings? A comprehensive platform that offers you all engineering-related data and enables you to directly order spare parts without wasting time and going nuts. Stop wondering, because we have got what you are looking for. m.spares. How does it work exactly? All of your engineering-related data is collected within the online platform. You just have to log in. That's it. From now on, you can browse through your personal catalog, take a good look at the drawings, or even identify your spare parts. Simply select the parts you need and put them into your shopping cart to request a quotation by Primetals Technologies. Sounds great, right? Stop wasting time guessing which spare part you need and searching through old drawings. With m.spares, you have an overview of all your engineering documents and can request your spare parts with one click. Try it yourself. Log in at m.spares.